Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by switching Enscape to night quickly. Open the Enscape window and use the time of day control. Set the sky to the night preset or drag the sun below the horizon until the scene darkens. Turn down global ambient intensity so nighttime lighting reads correctly, and make sure your interior and exterior artificial lights are placed and switched on. Once done, toggle live co-authoring off to avoid accidental changes, and prepare to refine individual lights and materials for true night clarity. Now you refine the lights and materials to sell the night effect. Select individual light sources and set color temperature between 2700K and 4000K for warm realism. Increase intensity where pools of light are needed. Make emissive materials brighter for screens and signage, and boost decal brightness for illuminated graphics. Then open visual settings and tune exposure, contrast, bloom, and glare so highlights pop while shadows retain depth. Once adjusted, navigate the scene to verify. Finish by locking your visual preset and exporting high-resolution images or a video. Make sure camera exposure and white balance are consistent across shots. Use bracketed exposures if needed for HDR output. If interiors appear too dark, increase interior light intensity or nudge exposure up a bit. If bloom and glare become excessive, reduce bloom or lower emissive intensity on problem materials. One troubleshooting tip: if night lighting looks flat, temporarily enable a single test light and iterate until shadows and contrast read naturally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.